Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, let's just unpack on Usenzo Meyiwa. There's always something. Yamkhumbula-ke indaba kaGwabini-ke, that whole commotion and the drama there at court. Kuthiwa uGwabini, abangani bakhe, they were sitting at the back there, supporting uGwabini, sekuthiwa babulali bahlangane nomnisi. They were going to analyze. How it started, it was Baloyi first. And now Segu Mugano and Brigadier Gininda. Kuqalaphi na? It's because they were telling the truth. Gwabini was telling the truth, what he went through with the police, with SAPS, how he was beaten up, how he was tubed, doing all sorts of things that they did. Go accuse number 1 and 2. Taking them to secluded places, chaperoning, mooring them, that you can think about engekho right. Insulting them, doing all sorts of things so that they can agree to unaliving Senzo Meyiwa. Abangamazi from a bar of soap. Accused number 2, Ubongani Ntanzi once said, hey, asimazi ngumuntu. Yeah, but goalkeeper, but we don't know him like that, you know? And then into yakhona was changed around now. Sebefuna uBaloyi manje, prosecutor uBaloyi, they want him. Ngobani uBaloyi was defeated now engabelieve ukuthi I should have just called Gwabini to be my witness. Gwabini is just like exposing us, our lies, like how Absalom as well, Zungu, exposed our lies. So now you say, I feel Gwabini is exposing us. Okay, yeah, it's fine. People were actually following them around. Lababa movie to support Gwabini. They were taken outside to be asked to go, okay, guys, why are you here? Who are you here for? And are you not Nkabilizers that were actually organized by Umnisi? Guys, Umnisi organizing Nkabilayiza for who? Nkabi that can be organized by Umnisi, guys. Please, let's think about this. Ubaloyi was just like, no, those guys are here for me. And then Rata was like, they must be arrested. Have they been arrested? That's how it was going on that day. The drama that was there, bruh, I was just like, no. Murata Ageko, guys, right? Ubaloyi was just like, no, they after me, Bangfuna, they want me dead. Like, guys, Njani, how do you want Ubaloyi and I laughed, guys? Go, you just want the truth from the guy. And I've said it so many times, he must actually be arrested for defeating the ends of justice. But he's still roaming around, lying. Ehamba nomngane wakhe uBrigadier Bongani Gininda, i-entourage yakhe and Judge Rata. Until yesterday, guys, on Christmas Day, ngithole i-message eshoyo ukuthi no, there was an altercation in real life. Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe imovie le kaBrigadier Bongani Gininda. In real life, there was an altercation between abantu who are following uGwabini. Kwaxatshanwa, uGwabini left the other person injured. Bebefuna uGwabini inkabi ithunyelwe for uGwabini. But guys, you know kule case stuff have happened. Abantu ababehlala kaKelly Khumalo abanye, they were actually mysteriously unalived. Mhlamba sibe kanjalo or deleted. Babengasekho emhlabeni. So many people in this case, Ndlovu were poisoned at some stage. A lot of people have actually passed on this case, Senzo Meyiwa, including our own, when he was just about to crack the truth, he was gone. Late advocate Thulani Mngomezulu. So yabona ukuthi le case ikanjani ibucayi. Kuma ophaphawu nje ofila ukuthi hayibo baqhamuka manje abantu bedutshula. Omunye wathe phuma uNdlovu ke yena uWest wathe phuma one day they pappawed him. The wife actually at the mall, he was poisoned in. The wife was pappawed because he had some information we needed at that court. Guys, yabona nje le case, I tell you, avele bayivulele yabi inquiry, not imahlanga, not izondo. Ninkabinde inquiry, no, we don't need it. Can we have our own? You can see ukuthi yabona into that happened there at court when the police came to fetch Gwabini's friend who came to support him, who was sitting at the back, and the police started to ask them questions. It was to intimidate Gwabini. But the way Gwabini was so scared that day, it was just like, no, I can't go on. I'm so frustrated right now. Can we adjourn? But he was like, let's go. He was just like, I can't do it today. This is what they want, dang it. So that he can give up and be like, no, I can't do this. Velen Pumakon subs have already done stuff to me that are unspeakable, so I cannot do it again. Manje abangani bami sebeyinkabi that are sent by UMNIS, that are organized by UMNIS, guys, just because Brigadier Kininda has beef with UMNIS, just because UMNIS wants the truth, and it's just on late Mngomezulu steps, long way, short sense, pale. What's is hard to understand there? Because there were no intruders in that house, So nje yo bam intimidator ukwabini. Manje they are sending people. They're saying people chances are laba be God fame mhlophe abake bayatholakala ngaphandle kwa late Thulani Mngomezulu's house. They are sending people manje. Bathi kukwabini umushayelo wamuntu and left him ukuthi afi. But akazange azafe, injured him and ran for his life. So yabona guys, any one of my subbies here, kunina guys here on my subbies, my beautiful ones on this channel, one of you told me let's story ukuthi when nothing, stuff is going on juba kwa holidays, people are after people, so that Kwabini doesn't come back in Jan to continue with his testimony. Urata was twisting things. Number phone, can I just not die? Please, can you not shoot me in the head? Can you not shoot me on the face? Because my wife must see me looking nice and in the casket. Please, guys, don't shoot me in the face. Guys, who said was going to unalive Urata? Nunga unalive Urata for us when he's 18 next year. Why? Our guys, people are just making up stories to distract us. As quickly with January 19, it's on again. We're there. We're not even trying to beat around the bush. We're just like, can we have the truth? For the sense of me, it's another year. We're sitting at 11th year.